Hello, and welcome to Decigo Optic, integrating ABT BACnet schedule. So the next way we would bring in a schedule is if one exists in the panel already, and through BACnet or Haystack we can bring that schedule in, and be able to control that schedule. So the first way we would do that is if you scroll down to your connectors, and we are going to go into our device again, and what we want to do is discover those points. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we will see our schedules. So I have this night C schedule. This night C schedule comes in as an analog, and is something we are working through with ABT, Automation Building Tool, right now, but ties to a Boolean point, so it ties to this night C point BV23. So what we want to do is we need to make that a Boolean schedule or be recognized as a Boolean schedule, so we are going to synchronize the schedule type. We're going to choose Boolean, and then we're going to choose the object, so BV23, and once BV23 is chosen then we hit apply, and it's now going to have to be rediscovered. Once it's rediscovered, and I scroll down to my schedules, it is now a Boolean schedule, and now we drag it into our equip. So drag and drop it and apply. We won't apply any point library. We'll just hit cancel and then apply it, and from here we can change the name into the point. And we now hit save and have our point in the database. So, the next thing we must do is create a schedule. So, what we want to create the schedule, we need to make it writable and save that. So we need to copy the SCH3 and then hit save, and now our points have been created. Now if we want to create a schedule, we'll go through the start normal schedule process, so let's go ahead and create a schedule. We're going to call it night command or something like that. It's a Boolean. We set the default value and hit OK, we want it to be false. So we hit that, we want to apply it to that point, we hit that. Now we've created our schedule, so the next thing we have to do is put in some parameters. So let's go ahead and do it for only, let's do it after 7 o'clock. We hit apply, and we want it to be on, during that time, and then we want to do from midnight to 7 a.m., and we hit apply. In the same way we duplicated the other one. We want to come in here, and we want to go to our tools, and we want to duplicate the scheduled day, and we're going to do Monday through Saturday. So we set our days up like this. So now our BACnet schedule has been applied to our point. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in one of our next videos about Decigo Optic.